Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can block specific websites on Windows 10. So the first step you need to do is to open Chrome Web Store. So once you open, you simply need to click here and search here block site. Hit enter and here you can see this second one. Click here and you need to add to the Chrome. Click on add extension, and once that extension is added, you need to click here and here you need to add list of blog sites. So I'm going to add www.facebook.com. Hit enter. It is now added in the blog site list. So once I go on to the Facebook, let me show you. Once I try, here you can see this website is blocked. So this is the process how you can block specific websites on Windows 10. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.